Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a poll in WhatsApp on your PC step by step. Polls are a quick and easy way to gather opinions from people in a group chat or even in an individual conversation. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp desktop app on your computer or open WhatsApp web in your browser and sign into your account. Next, open the chat or group where you want to create the poll. At the bottom of the chat, click the plus icon or the attachment icon next to the message box, depending on your version of WhatsApp. From the menu that appears, click Poll. A new window will open where you can create your poll. First, enter your question in the question field. Next, type your first answer option. Then, enter your second answer option. If you want to add more choices, click Add Option and continue entering your answers. You can also drag and reorder the options if needed. If you want participants to choose more than one answer, leave Allow Multiple Answers turned on. If you want everyone to vote for only one option, turn Allow Multiple Answers off. Once your poll is ready, click the Send button. Your poll will immediately appear in the chat. Participants can now vote by selecting their preferred option or options. To see the results, simply click on the poll in the chat. You'll be able to view the current votes and see how the poll is progressing. And that's it. You've successfully created a poll in WhatsApp using your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more WhatsApp tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.